miles per hour for the following counties: Highland, Jefferson, King, Kitsap, Mason, Pierce, San Juan, Snohomish, and Whatcom counties. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning for southwest winds 25 to 40 miles per hour, gusting to 60 miles per hour from now until 8 o'clock this morning.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find a link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.